Hanwha Vision's OnCloud keeps video clips that have been created available on the Clips dashboard. Access the Clips dashboard by clicking Clips in the navigation bar. The number of clips available as well as the storage space being utilized are shown at the top left corner of the Clips dashboard. Saved video clips are searchable by the tags used and can be filtered by the user who created the clip and the location that the clip belongs to. Tags can be added or removed by clicking Manage Tags. Tags used in video clips that are attached to an incident cannot be removed. Video clips are displayed with a thumbnail image and include the video's description, author, and creation details, as well as details on who the video has been shared with. Clicking on a clip will allow you to view the saved video and edit the video clip's details. Within the video clip's viewing pane, users can change the volume level and enable or disable audio if it is available. The video can be viewed in full screen mode and can be played back at various speeds. The video clip can be downloaded in MP4 format by clicking the download button. Video clips can be added to existing incidents. If the video is already added to an incident, the incident it is attached to will have a checkbox beside it in the drop-down menu. The video clip can also be used to create a new incident. Comments can be added, edited, or deleted in the Comments panel. Tags can be added to or removed from the video clip in the Tags section below the viewing pane. To use a new tag, enter the tag in the Enter Tag field. Existing tags can be added by clicking on them. Logs showing the user, date, and time that the video clip was last accessed are also visible within the video clip's log area below. Video clips can be shared with both internal and external users. When sharing video clips with internal members of the organization, those users will appear in a drop-down below the email field. Typing the username will further filter the list. To share with external recipients, enter the recipient's email address. A warning will appear reminding you that the recipient is an external user. You will be able to set an expiration time for the video clip to be viewed by the external user. External users will receive an email with a video link and password, allowing them to view the video clip for the time set. They will not be able to download the video file. If the external user requires more time for viewing the video, the expiration time can be further extended in the Manage Clip Access section of the Share menu. An internal or external user's shared access to a video clip can be revoked by the clip's author or system administrator. Once a video has been shared, icons denoting specific users will appear beside the Share button, as well as under the video clip's details on the clip's dashboard. The video clip can also be deleted by clicking on the menu button in the top right corner of the page and then clicking Delete in the menu. Note that a video clip cannot be deleted if it is attached to one or more incidents. To learn more about OnCloud, visit us at hanwhavisionamerica.com.